Python things, and today I am going to explain you about lambda functions. So what is lambda functions? Python allow us to not declare the function in the standard manner. It means you don't need to declare a function using def keyword. Instead of using any def keyword, you can use a lambda keyword, or you can say you can declare a function as anonymous. Anonymous function is something which has no name. So however, lambda function can accept any number of arguments, but it can return only one value in the form of expressions. So the anonymous function contains a small piece of code. It simulates inline functions of C and C++, but it is not exactly an inline function. If you are familiar with C or C++, there is something called inline function in that. So as of now, you can just ignore that and just focus on that thing. In Python we can declare a function as anonymous. So yeah, the syntax to define an anonymous function is given below. Lambda argument, it is fixed. Arguments whatever the arguments you need to pass, a b c d, multiple arguments, it's your choice. Expression is something like you pass a comma b as an argument, and expression can be a plus b, a multiply b, whatever. So here is an example of lambda function. X equal to lambda a colon a plus 10. So here lambda is our keyword, and a left side a is our argument, and right hand side is our expression. So we use this x variable as an function name, we can say, and we pass 20 as an argument. So in that, a 20 value assigned to our a variable, and a plus 10 means 20 plus 10, it will give result, and we get 30. So why use lambda functions? The main role of the lambda function is better described in the scenarios when we use them anonymously inside another function. So when we use it in functions, then you can easily understand what is actually lambda functions. In Python, the lambda functions can be used as an argument to the higher order functions as arguments. So basically, as we all know, we get to know that lambda function is just only a single line expression. We can't use lambda function as multiple line operations. So here's another example. Here we create a function def table and return lambda a colon b, a colon a into n. So this when we call this function, it will return a lambda function. So n equal to int input, enter the number. So here we are asking a number from the user. So let's say we pass 10. So in n, 10 will be stored. B equal to table of n. So table of n, table is our function. So n value, so currently n equal to 10. So 10 will pass to our function. So it will return lambda a colon a into 10. So if we see b equal to lambda a colon a into 10 will be our expression till here. So after that, for I in range of 1 to 11, it will go from 1 to 10, because as we know, range function exclude the second value, so it will go till 10. Print n into I equal to b of I. So 1 by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 value will be go to our lambda function. So first one will be go, so 1 into 10, and it will give like that. Here n equal to 10, so 10 into I will be our 1, 2, 3, 4, its iterate, equal to b of I. The main role of lambda is here, b of I, b of 1, b of 2, b of 3. So it will give the value. So this is how our lambda function work. So basically, if we need any expression or any one line expression to solve in Python. So we can use just lambda function. We don't need to declare any function name. So this is how it works. So yeah, this is all about lambda function. If you have any query or any doubt, or you want any topic to explain, you can ask me on comment section. Thank you for watching.